County ya Nyamira inse getabo kyobochenu nigo yabekire seyo koigwana nekiombe gya Luala asomoroberio bogo kianania makweli ayago chinga kyabangina abakoibora kagokwanekere kyo mugabana we county eyo Amos Nyaribo nigaine kebuna ase county ya Nyamira egatia bangina chiribo emyayemo bakoibora chimi isato emerongene na kianda nigo bagukwa bono nigo barachekonyorobo konyi webinto byo gutumika asobo bwenya elio gotanga ebikora bunebyo Muligito Steven Nyariki Embunde na mange
Miaka 5 asokoigwanana kwa bekwesei gati ye county ya Nyamira nekiombe getari gya serikali kya Luala gogora chikwenekia gokianania makweri ayuago chicha kobwatekana no koibora kwa basubati anene mono ase chinyagitari kya Nyamira
abantu bamintorero a partnership between Nyamira County Government and organization called Luala. Luala is an organization which is community-based and it has successfully done starting at Luala village, was succeeded commercial, Monginondo Wenzi, Tarigokwa, as a process yokonyoro mwana. Asenya getari yabo iyeresiro mortality rate yani mongina tayo kuna na yomo. Bajira Nyamira me ibintu nabakorire ikyara de bono iga abanyina bakwaga Nyamira iyo wari 300 349 aseru 100.
My name is Julius Mbea. I'm co-CEO at Luala Community Alliance, and today we have had a great opportunity to sign a memorandum of understanding with the county government of Nyamira. As His Excellency the Governor has mentioned, Luala's focus is improvement of maternal and child health outcomes. And we know that in the country we are losing far too many mothers due to pregnancy-related deaths. The country average is about 355 mothers dying for every 100,000 live births. The SDG target, that is Sustainable Development Goals for the country, is to reduce this to 70 per 100,000.
Kako kwanekere kyo mugabano Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigago kire getambukiro giyogo chichamo elio kwene kingango segetabare chinjera cyo kianania kwa basubati ekere bakwibora kwene kimuna county ya Nyamira goikiraniere hamagani yo kinga musubati tayogo kwa ekere agochia kuibora omwana
no teba Nyamira no nyeto repeta than average ya Kenya. Still, usiri abantu 349 abuna abantu abangi sana.
Part of the health facility intervention is deployment of the pneumatic anti-shock garment or NASG. This is a simple that applied on a woman when they are bleeding after birth. And you know, bleeding after birth is the major killer of women in the country.
Semo ekiombe kyo nigo bene kirio buya bogocha kwene kinga nkoreta bare bintu bichigotumeka asobo bwenya asabo igo babekire nibo yogocha keria shilingi chimilioni emiyemo elio kwene kina ngosira bare county ya Nyamira seka myaka 5 eliogocha kwene kinga county eyo nechiwete ndabene asobo bweni obwo
modu babwatene toko shilingi sana Bata mende shilingi sana. Ase miaka 5 nebo geko reduce bakeje week after 5 years nyorenti tuetene nei kwa beiro mwana uche school weka na maurai.
Steven Nyariki Embunde, Soko TV, county ya Nyamira.